Hi mga ka-UVG, kamusta kayo dyan? Pasensya na medyo late. Pero at least nandito na ako. Diba? So tingnan natin kung anong energy update sa collective ngayon. Collective ng Virgo. Virgo sign, mga ka-UVG. So let's see. Tingnan natin kung anong energy. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Tsaka sa mga new subscriber natin, hello po. Sa mga returning subscriber, what's up po dyan. So, tingnan natin kung anong update ng energy collective. Collective energy ng mga Virgo King. Okay, so let's see. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate today, better luck next time. Baka po energy nyo na masagap ko. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, let's see. Eight of Earth. Okay. The World card. Three of Earth. So, merong partnership na magaganap dito regarding workspace. Okay. Work department. Okay. With the World card, I think marami kang madidiscover dito or marami kang mai-explore. This is a new beginning for you, Virgo. Okay, new people, new, everything is new because of the World card is ending something in order to begin new one. Okay, but with the Eight of Pentacles, this is at work. Okay, or you are working on something with a partnership and it requires travel. The ang World card can represent travel also, Virgo. Ang Three of Earth is Three of Pentacles, creativity, productivity, teamwork. Okay. So, let's see. Ano pa? Sa trabaho, Virgo, regarding sa work department mo, meron ka ditong yung trabaho mo is nagre-required ng travel with someone, with a team. Baka meron new project dito. Virgo, baka naka-mission accomplish na kayo sa isang project, moving into the next project. Okay, something in that line, or for some of you, new people, new workspace, new place, there is something new about it. Okay. So, tingnan natin what else. Five of Air. Okay. Conflict. Okay. Confrontation. Ten of Fire. Mastery. Multitasking. Okay, for some of you here, Virgo, meron ditong Five of Air eh. Ang Five of Air is like makwenta. Five of Swords yan eh, sa traditional tarot. Okay, so meron ditong makwenta, okay. But on the another hand, kung sino man yung makwenta, Virgo, you can handle it in a very strategic way, in a very compassionate way. Ten of Fire, kung sa nakikita mo, nilalaro mo na lang dito yung, kasi ang Ten of Fire is mastery as well. Okay, ano man sa'yo yan, personality, character ng person na to, I think, you're just go with the flow. Like, you know what I mean? Kasi alam mo kung ano ang capacity, ano ang power mo, alam mo kung anong boundaries mo, alam mo kung anong baluarte mo, Virgo. So, kung ano man ang gustong mangyari nitong Five of Air, okay. This is at work. Okay, Virgo. Eight of Pentacles, the World card. New beginning and ending something in order to begin new one. Okay. But with the Ten of Fire, you're used to it. Expert ka na, paulit-ulit na lang yung ganong cycle. Okay. Na mga naa-attract mo na mga tao. Okay. Kasi bakit natitrigger mo yung inner demon nila? Yun na lang pinakamadali kong masabi. Pag nasabing natitrigger mo ang inner demon nila, there is some jealousy or there is some secrecy here, Virgo. Okay, kung sino man yan, let it go, let it fly. You know your worth with the Ten of Air. Projection lang to eh. Ang Five of Air is ano siya, makwenta. Kumbaga, makwenta, kinukuwenta niya, dinumero. Kailangan 'pag ginawa ko 'to dapat gawin din niya 'to, 'pag ginawa ko 'yan dapat gawin din what the freak. Pero you know yourself more, Virgo. Okay. Pero gagawin mo pa rin siya kung makikita mo 'tong ginagawa mo pa rin siya in a very gentle way. Okey. May gustong paapuyin dito, eh. Okey, yung dabukan ka or meron sinasadya pero ikaw on the other hand pasa, ikot, papaikutin, sige. Like, you know what I mean? Kasi alam mo in your intuition, God knows. Okay. God knows. At saka meron kang 8 sa first card, karma card. So what comes around goes around. You know, what goes around comes around. Parang boomerang lang yan. Instant karma. What else? Patience, as I said. Pasensya. Lawakan mo pa pasensya mo, Virgo. The Hangman. You're seeing the situation in a different perspective. Meron lang delay. Two of Water. Three of Pentacles underneath is Two of Water. Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng companionship dito. Okay. With the Two of Water, na magsisink in kayo. Okay. King of Fire. And the Six of Water. Nostalgic. This person, kung sino man to, sabi ko sa'yo, projection lang to, Virgo, eh. Together with the Chariot card, moving forward, something with a car, okay, or something with the travel, dalawa na travel mo. Okay, but merong delay. Okay. With the Two of Cups is being here, Virgo, and the King of Fire. Merong nostalgia dito. Hindi ko alam kung different scenario na to. Second scenario ng reading kasi ibang nakukuha kong energy sa taas. Pagdating sa patience at ay sa Hangman, umiba ang ating storytell. Okay, ang ating energy update dito. Ang 12 is, hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo ako, pero actually nilalakasan ko na yung boses ko. With the Hangman is, tinitignan mo lang ang sitwasyon in a very different perspective, Virgo. But with the Two of Water and the King of Fire, someone sees you, okay, as, alam mo naman ang Two of Cups, di ba? Soulmate, you make this person happy or yung heart niya ba dito nag-expand. Whenever I think of you, whenever I think of you. Kung makikita mo, meron siyang halo. So, aware siya or watching you from afar. And you're being patient here or maybe someone is being patient. Thinking of you, Virgo. Meron lang kasing delay or may stuck dito eh. This person is very nostalgic about you, Virgo, with the Six of Water, Six of Cups. Two of Water. Someone here is being patient. Okay. Sometimes it can represent impatience na rin kasi gusto niya nang tumiwalag eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko sinabing tiwalag kasi ang Hangman is nakatali siya. Ibig sabihin, tinali niya yung sarili niya sa sitwasyong nahirapan siyang alisan. Pero nakikita niya na ang sitwasyon sa ibang pananaw. Nagigets mo ako, Virgo? Sana naman ay nagets. Kasi ganun ang Hangman eh, delay. Seeing the situation in a different perspective. Pag once na nakaalis ang Hangman sa posisyon, desisyon niya yan eh. Siya ang naglagay dyan sa sarili niya. Kaya siya tinawag na Hangman. So, this person is, the more na nakikita niya, isiniswitch niya yung sitwasyon niya in a different perspective. Tinitingnan niya yung iba't ibang angulo na pwedeng posibilidad na maialis niya yung sarili niya sa sitwasyon. The more na nag-iisip siya sa'yo, yung heart niya para pag feeling niya ikaw may hawak. I don't know. There is some telepathic communication, nakikipag-telepath to sa'yo eh. Pero I think you are looking somewhere. Meron ka, busy ka dito eh. Kasi kung may going on, kung ikaw ang Virgo na there is something going on at work, okay, so expect some communication with the 8 of fire. Merong communication dito, Virgo. Expect some call or message with this person from the past, okay. Or maybe this is a new person, Virgo, but in some point you are connected or sync in, maybe baka alam nyo or magkakilala kayo in the past life, meron kayong something, kaya nag-cross ang landas nyo ngayon and you feel familiar to each other. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Expect some communication and action. So 9 of water, wish and desire. Okay. And the page of fire. Definitely have good news or a message with this person. Okay. You're calling in your soulmate here, Virgo. Ina-attract mo to the more na you're busy. I think you're busy. 8 of Pentacles, the World card, 3 of Pentacles, Mastery card. Busy ka doing something, doing your own thing. Samantalang on the another hand, meron ka ditong someone is thinking about you with the nostalgic card. 2 of Cups, kaya lang nakahang siya, kailangan niyang umalis sa sitwasyon na pinasok niya. Expect some communication, nakikita ka niya as being patient or maybe niisip niya na merong telepathic communication na nangyayari dito eh. Meron kang nafe-feel sometimes, Virgo. Okay. It's not your energy. Okay. So, okay. With the 8 of fire is communication and taking action. 9 of water is your desire and goal. Yun ang desire ng person na to. Nakikita ko siyang nagtatype or nagbi-miss call pero or gustong mag-miss call, magpapansin, okay, or maybe sa tapat ng bahay nyo dumaan or saan ka nagtatrabaho. There is something about this person na na-urge siya, na nafe-feel niya yung kamay mo or yung nafe-feel niya yung presence mo sa loob ng heart niya. Ish, dito na naman tayo. With the page of fire, Virgo, meron ditong message, definitely. Gusto niyang mag-message dito or mag-communicate. Okay. But with the Queen of Fire, King and Queen of Fire, Virgo, merong couple card dito and with the Fool. This person is going to take a leap of faith. At saka with the Three of Water, collaboration, reconciliation, meeting up somewhere. But with the Fool card, I think merong mentality dito na try again. But pares kayo ng energy nito eh. Pares kayo passionate sa isa-isa. Nandito ang 2 of Cups. Hindi ko alam kung sino sa'yo yan, Virgo. Pero in some point, if this is a new person, feel na tong person na to na connected kayo in past life in some point. Okay, kasi vibrationally. Okay. Mafe-feel nyo ang isa't isa. Feel familiar. Feel something at home or comfortable in some point. Okay, with the Full card is being here, Virgo. You will take a leap of faith or taking a risk. Someone is going to take a risk here. Kung this is a past person, start from new. But it's up to you pa rin. Lahat is up to you. Pero malakas ang communication with the Page of Fire, 8 of Fire. 3 of Water is reconciliation, meeting up together. 6 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles. So with the Patience card, someone is being patient, traveling towards you, Virgo. Gusto niya ialis ang sarili niya sa sitwasyon pinasok niya na alam niyang siya ang pumasok, siya din ang makakapag-resolve palabas. Like, you know what I mean, Virgo? So, either way, if this is you or the another person. So, yun yung nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Sana naman ay nag-gets. Tingnan natin kung ano advice. Communication is the key. So, Virgo, meron nga magko-communicate sa'yo dito. Luck is on your side. Okay, so just let me know kung nag-take place na, maaaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Communication is the key and luck is on your side. Depende pa rin sa'yo yan, Virgo, kung gusto mong makipag-reconcile or moving in together with this person. Bakit ko nasabing moving in together? Kasi merong taking a leap of faith or in some point, meron kayong communication na same mentality, same energy, same, the same. Okay. Parehas kayo ng gusto. Okay. Parehas kayo ng in some point, okay, kung hindi naman to past person, maybe this is your past life person and you feel familiar, maybe this is a new person physically, but spiritually is an old person for you. You feel familiar, both of you. Sa side niya, kung hindi ka nakaka-feel sa side niya, nafe-feel niya, na you feel familiar, you feel like something. Okay. Para sa person na yan. So, surrender to the divine, Virgo, whatever it is, and bring love into the situation. So, wag bitter. Wag maging bitter, Virgings. Okay. Bring love into the situation pa rin, regardless ng mga binabato sa'yo. Okay. Nasa sa'yo na lang yan kung paano ka magre-respond. So, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Sana naman ay naririnig na ako, no? Umiba na nga ako ng posisyon para pa makapag-voice out ako talaga. So, let's see. Meron kang 3, 6, 1. 361 Virgo, i-google mo siya. Angel message number 361. Maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, and bye for now.